Three notable figures in history who skillfully embodied the initial laws of power are Alexander the Great, Queen Elizabeth I, and Abraham Lincoln. Alexander the Great exemplified Law 1, never outshine the master, by striking a balance between showcasing his brilliance and respecting the wisdom of his tutor, Aristotle. Queen Elizabeth I was a master of Law 2, never put too much trust in friends. She adeptly managed her political alliances, ensuring that her power remained secure amidst changing loyalties. Abraham Lincoln, demonstrating Law 5, so much depends on reputation, guard it with your life. Lincoln meticulously cultivated a reputation for honesty and integrity, enabling him to lead a divided nation through the challenging times of the Civil War. These historical figures serve as compelling examples of how the early laws of power were strategically applied in their respective contexts.